Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make logos or photos glow in Canva mobile. So just start by open the blank Canva design like this and then add your logo into the canvas. Okay, I'm going to add this logo. So put it at the center like this. Now go to effects. Here, click on the effects and choose shadow. Select the glow option. Now click on the glow again and adjust the color into the glow color that you want. So I'm going to just use a white color here and adjust the intensity, the blur amount. I'm going to make it 75. Here you can also adjust the size and then the intensity. I'm going with 100. Okay, now so the result will go like this. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.